Oh, bitches. I'm getting ready for my cousin's graduation. Wow, so exciting. I always am doing something fun. It'll be hot and potentially rainy, so kill me, basically. Getting ready so fucking early, really bored and have nothing else to do. Also will give me more time to make thirst traps, so. I'm gonna start doing Pilates or something. The gnats are still attacking. I bought the Zevo light things and they're still fucking here. I was saying I want to start doing Pilates or workout class of some kind, but the thought of working out with other people is really intimidating to me. And I'm extremely out of shape, so I'm scared I'm gonna embarrass myself. That also could just be an excuse I'm telling myself because I'm really lazy. But I think if I started doing it, I would slay at it. I want to keep my makeup really natural with the wavy hair and my skin doing okay. It just slays best. I try to take advantage of when my skin's thriving. I'm new to this Costa sunscreen and wow, I've been missing out. I'm gonna put a lot. I'm always full glam. I'm so heavy-handed. It gives like the perfect amount of glow and like kind of evens out your skin tone. Just realizing I probably should have used waterproof mascara. Chance it's gonna rain, so I'm willing to take that risk. Unpopular opinion, but I like my mascara a little clumpy. I don't know, I just feel like it makes them thicker. My life's been so boring. I'm trying to think of things to tell y'all, but nothing new has happened. Not talking to anyone, don't have any crazy news. I'm actually gonna tell like an old story from my last situationship. First time I ever went and visited him, it was like very manic, okay? We had barely been speaking. I flew to go see him. He picked me up in the airport. We were in the car for like maybe 20 minutes. I was curious. I asked him like, so what'd you tell your friends like that I was coming? He was like, either this girl's crazy or stupid. Within the first 20 minutes. I remember being shocked in the moment, like, did he really just say that? And I didn't know how to react. I should have turned around and left then. Like, who actually fucking says that to someone they just met? Like, lie, honestly. But you know, I never find anyone I like, so I was like, maybe he's just nervous and blurted out something random. The first 48 hours of the trip were great, honestly. Well, they were okay. Acting like he was really into me, we were having a great time. Then like on the second or third day, he kind of just stopped. Like I could feel that he didn't like me or want me there anymore. He kept calling celebrity girls hot, which like, whatever. I know you're not actually gonna pull them, but like, I'm bad as shit too. Like, do you know who's coming to see you? That's just such a red flag when guys do that. Like, they're obviously just trying to make you insecure. I was acting like annoyed with it. I'm not the type of person to hide my emotions. I'm not just gonna let you guess why I'm mad. I'm gonna tell you. I don't think he's ever had a bitch like that because boy, he did not know how to react. It got to the point where he was doing it on purpose because he like could tell it was making me upset. And I finally snapped when we were coming back from like going out. They have like a Hooters calendar in the garage. And he was like, that's my favorite part of the garage. I fucking swung their garage door open. I was pissed. And his roommate was like, yo, bro, you just like really pissed her off. Came into the bathroom all fucking scared. Like, you poked the bear, bitch. You're gonna feel it. He was all like, why are you upset? And I was like, cause you keep doing that shit on purpose. You called like 8 girls you're never gonna pull hot today. And like, I'm here to see you. That's just like rude. I think like he just thought it was funny. Like, that's just such a red flag. Ew, why do you do that? After I snapped on him a little bit, he stopped doing it. But I think after that, he just like didn't like me anymore. He like went to the gym for fucking 5-6 hours, sat in the living room with his roommates, and like I went out there and tried to join the conversation, but I barely knew him, so it was hard to talk to like his friends and roommates. I'm not even comfortable with you. Like, he just didn't want to be around me. Our last night there, he was up to like 1 in the morning doing homework. He finally came to bed and I was trying to be cute, give him a little goodnight kiss. This man, I kid you not, laid there like a corpse. Literally, I kissed him. He didn't kiss me back. That's the first time in my whole fucking life a man hasn't kissed me back. What is your issue? And he was like, I'm just tired and from homework. What? What? You're annoyed about homework, so you don't want to kiss me about goodnight. Okay. Proceeded to basically crash out the whole night. Really embarrassed. Like, never get excited about men. I always get dogged by them. And I had a good feeling about this one, and it turned out to be wrong yet again. Tell y'all, I could not go to fucking sleep. I stayed up the entire night. I did not get an ounce of sleep before my flight the next day. I woke up, I was still fucking pissed, obviously, because what the hell was that? I was definitely dramatic, but like I could not go to sleep. I was just up all night thinking about like how stupid I feel. Just like proceeded to like ignore the fact I was upset at him. Like he did not want to talk about it, and I was trying to talk about it and so we could like move on, put it to rest. That's the type of person I am. Not a fan of that. And on the way home, it was just extremely uncomfortable. I made his roommate sit in the front seat. I did not want to sit next to him. On my headphones, I cried. I was making that man feel fucking bad. Couldn't help it, and yeah, I was gonna make him feel bad for treating me like that. Honestly, fucking hilarious when I think back at it. He was trying to talk to me like, why are you crying? And I was like, pointing at his roommate like, we're not arguing in front of your roommate right now. We were text like arguing kind of. Literally see him in the driver's seat typing like to my replies. I thought we had a great time. Bitch, we barely hung out. Like, what do you mean? Then like when he dropped me off, he was like, text me when you get home. And I kid you not, I was like, I'm never texting you again. I did text him like an hour into the airport because I was overthinking crashing out. And that man ghosted me. Honestly valid for the last thing I said to him, but it's gonna be the fumble of your life, babe. I'm not gonna put up with being treated like that. The fuck? I'm like 99% sure I've showed up on his For You page before, so karma's got my back there. And that's pretty much how every talking stage I have goes. Just attract like the worst, I think. It's okay, one of these days a good one will come. Put on my cute dress now, make thirst traps to feel better about myself after telling this humiliating story. You baddies.